Well, are you trying to grow your lashes super fast, super thick, super luxurious? Well, a big problem for a lot of people, especially women who use mascara or curl their lashes, is that the lashes fall out, get torn out, or they thin out. And it's a problem that just can happen to both guys and girls. But today I'm gonna give you some great, super fast treatments to get your lashes growing and looking great in 30 days or less in this video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, I'm Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where today we're gonna help you look good, which is gonna help you feel good and live good. So again, if you're new, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell, because if you don't, you won't know when new videos are up, and YouTube won't tell you if you don't hit the notification bell. So please do that for me. Okay, so thinning eyelashes, bigger problem than you would think for a lot of people. Nothing like ripping out your eyelashes, right ladies? And curling them, false eyelashes, mascara use, all can make the problem worse. Well, today I've got some great treatments I'm gonna give you right now that will get those lashes growing and looking good in 30 days or less. So let's talk about that. The first thing that you need to be aware of is that you need to make sure you're cleansing your eyelashes. And that means using cleanser when you're washing your face. Pay close attention to make sure that you get all mascara, makeup, anything around your eye, eyeliner, all of that stuff needs to be removed completely every single day. Even if you don't use makeup, there can be a buildup of oil and sebum in the eyelash follicle area, which can actually block its growth. So it's very, very important as a first step to make sure you're cleansing your eyes every day. Okay, the other thing to do is to give your eyelashes a bit of a break. If you're using makeup every day, you want to give them a break. Try taking a week or two off while you do these treatments that I'm about to tell you about, because it'll give them a chance to work and it'll give your eyelash follicles a chance to grow and normalize. One of the things that you can do that really speeds up eyelash growth is apply oils. Now I'm talking about castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil. Using a Q-tip, you can take that and apply it to the edge of the eye and be sure to get it into the eyelash. Not too much, you don't want to get oil in your eyes, but you want to lubricate those eyelash follicles so that they have freedom to grow, and you're going to see a huge result because the oils hydrate and stimulate growth, which is a part of the next tip that I'm going to give you, which is massaging your eyes several times a week with the same oil. Coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil is a really, really good one if you can find it. It's been shown to stimulate hair growth in balding men and women. So it is a good product to use. Again, you don't want to get it in your eyes, but make sure you massage your eyes for like 5 minutes. I'd say 3 times a week, and you're going to see some stimulation of circulation, and it's going to improve and increase the speed of the growth of the eyelash. Now, the other thing is it's great for dark circles. So go ahead and try this out and let me know in the comments below what you think, if these tips are helping you or not. And be sure to come back and definitely tell me how you do when you try this. The next thing I'd have you do is take a look at your diet and make sure that you're adding things like avocados, nuts, fish, lean meats. All these things add fatty acids to the diet, and fatty acids are full of B vitamins and very, very important to hair growth overall. So by checking your diet, making sure you're adding those things on a daily basis. I personally love sunflower seeds, which is a great way to get the fatty acids that you need, the omega-3s. Do it however you want to do it in your diet, whatever you like, but make sure you're adding those at least daily, or some serving of nuts, fish, avocados or something like that. Now on to serums. Serums are the latest rage for eyelash growth, and there's the range of $50 serums, Rodan and Fields, all the way to $10 serums you can order from China. Do they work? The newest one is L'Oreal Lash Serum Solution, and this is what it looks like. This is it right here, and I'm testing this one out myself to give you some idea of whether it works, if it works as fast as they say it that it will. I'm going to be doing a skincare smackdown on this product because it's now available locally in almost all chain stores in the United States. So, if it works, it's a great product. I don't know, testing it out. Again, these serums, all of them supposedly show results in about 4 weeks. This one has glycerin, arginine, vitamin B5, and hyaluronic acid, say that 5 times fast, as its main ingredients, and that should scientifically stimulate growth of your eyelashes and lubricate the eyelash as well. So we'll see how that works out. And for some super easy DIY eyelash serums. I have a video right over here that you can go to and put these things together yourself and try them out while we're testing this one out. So hit the little notification bell and I will see you over on the next one.